Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can back up Wix website. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So here from the home page of Wix, we want to scroll down until we see the option for CMS. Choose this option for CMS here. And once we're taken to the CMS page, then we have to click on more actions here in the top right corner. And you should be able to see backups. So click on backups and you will see some automatic backups which you can use to restore. So if you want to add a new backup, we will click on this blue button right here and it will tell us that a backup is in progress. Now we have successfully created a manual backup for our Wix website. And like I said, if we want to restore to a previous backup, we will click on the restore button here to the side. And if we want to delete any backups, we will choose the trash icon. So that's basically how you can back up Wix website. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.